let's prep the build surface. So we're going to remove the old build surface, which is a sheet of ABS. I'm going to assemble the hopper for this vertical print. Then I'm going to set down a sheet of ABS on top of plywood that we can screw into. Now I'm just running some general safety checks, make sure that the Z offset will be good, get the build plate dialed in where it's supposed to be. Clamp that down, and now I'm clearing out the lines of old material. And then we'll begin with a purge, cleaning out the old material and prepping carbon fiber ABS for these panels. Do some more safety checks, another purge, and now we can get the test print going. After conducting the first test print, we realized we had a bug in our code where one line randomly on each different panel would not print on a different layer, and after resetting the program, we'd keep getting the error occurring in different spots. So we had to look back in our system and find that bug and fix it. Alright, so now that we have that bug fixed, we can get this test print set up. We re-sliced the tool path, so we had to adjust the placement of our build surface just slightly. And now we are verifying without screwing the panels down that the tool path works. And in this test, we figured out that we have fixed the bug. Now we can continue with the final print. These facade panels are about 6 feet tall. It was a 14-hour print in total. Each panel weighs roughly 30 pounds. They're hollow on the inside. And after a successful print, those are installed. And here's the final product. Thanks for watching.